G'day champions, I am just making a new rear grille for this Strauss amp. I'm at the home workshop. The screw mounts are through the top and bottom, and you can see the old pattern from the mesh there that used to be there. I've got some aluminium mesh here, so I thought I'd make my own. Problem is we've got to fold it as well as cut it, just using the equipment I've got at home. So the best way to do that is with one of these track saws. Festo make one. This is the Makita equivalent. I've just got some aluminium mesh there, 1.6mm, which I've just taped to a bit of board, and you can use the straight edge here to cut all the way through, or as you can just see there, to score it. And once you've scored it, if you go say halfway through, you just clamp it to a bit of MDF on the bench and you can fold it up just like that, and you can get a real sharp bend on them too. You can see that there's not much radius to that, and that's what you want. Champions, so now we've cut that to length and we've scored it where we want the fold to happen. Just get a bit of MDF and we'll clamp it right where we want the fold to take place. So we want to get it on the outside of the score, because you've got the width of the saw blade there. Alright, try not to block the camera. Some nice heavy duty clamps, but we've got to stay out of the way where we've got to fold the piece to. Alright, see how we go. If you wanted to overfold it a bit, you can always cut that bit of MDF on a bit of an angle, say 10 degrees or so, because it does want to spring back a little bit. There we go. Nice little fold there. I'll do the other side. Beauty. There's our nice little grill. Almost like a ghetto pan brake. We'll fit that to the amp, and won't be any high voltage hazards anymore to the user. And there she is. I think that's going to look very nice. You got the anodized ends, so it sort of matches in colour. And pop some screws into the top and bottom rail, and it'll look just like it did from the day it was built. And more importantly, you won't be able to get your hands in there and touch all that spicy voltages in there. So I'll see you on the next one, champions.